Working with MDaemon Mail Server Administration and have an MDM2 file? This is a mail server data file from a popular Windows email server. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these MDaemon Mail Server files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional MDM2 file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. MDM2. Files are data files used by MDaemon Email Server, a Windows-based mail server software by MDaemon Technologies. They contain mail server configurations, user accounts, message data, or backup information for the email server's operational state. MDM2. Files use MDaemon's proprietary format storing mail server data with structure depending on the specific data type. The format integrates with MDaemon server architecture for configuration storage, user authentication data, or message queue information used during normal operations. The specific reading module for MDM2 files is provided by MDaemon Email Server from MDaemon Technologies. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows provides only a simplified view, so full access relies on email-aware tools. We are testing every installed file handler. Right-click your MDM2 file and choose Open With. Test MDaemon Email Server first. If it fails, select another application. The correct reader is in that list. If the MDM2 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We're dealing with a highly specific MDM2 file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening with MDaemon Server. Install MDaemon Email Server on a Windows system and use the appropriate administration tool to access MDM2 files. The MDaemon Configuration Session Manager imports server data files restoring or reading configurations, user data, and mail server state information. Next, accessing in Text Editor. Some MDM2 files may be text-based or contain readable configuration data. Open the file in Notepad++ or VS Code to inspect contents. If readable, the file may include server settings, user lists, or message metadata viewable for troubleshooting purposes. Finally, contacting MDaemon support for specialized MDM2 file recovery or migration contact. MDaemon Technologies. Technical support with your license details. Support engineers provide guidance on accessing legacy data files and migrating between MDaemon versions for ongoing mail server operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.